Hello, this is Eric Baird with ReLISTO. We're starting today's tour of this one bedroom, one bath condominium on the patio area. As you can see, there's barbecue sitting area for many sunny days in this area of the city. As we walk into the property, we can see you're greeted with a furnished unit. This property is available for periods of 30 days to a full year. It's in the heart of Coal Valley, and if you're familiar with Coal Valley, this is one of the coveted areas of San Francisco, as it has lots of trees, wider streets. It also has some great restaurants and stores just around the corner. As you can see, gas range, stainless appliances, microwave, toaster oven. The property comes fully equipped with everything you need to just come in with your suitcase, yet there's still storage areas in case you have more. To the right here is the bathroom, tub, shower, combination, and of course, bedroom. Property, is in Coal Valley. So as you walk out the front gate of the building, so this is a 6-unit building, you are right at a Muni stop, so direct line downtown. That's a nice, comfortable, queen-size bed. Here's some closet space. Again, kitchenware, tableware, linens, all included in this property. It's available for periods of 30 days or more. There is parking that's included with this, so check the ad for the details on the parking. Great location. Great property, very flexible terms, and we look forward to speaking with you.